Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and this is my home, and I am so excited that you're here today. We are counting down the days until Christmas. 25 days, 25 videos to celebrate the holiday season. This series is just absolutely packed with so many fun ideas. It's full of tips and tricks. It's full of shopping ideas and room makeovers. We just hope more than anything that you'll take away so much joy during this holiday season through this series. We're so delighted to have you here at the House of Valentina, and let's jump into today's video. Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina, and we are counting down the days to Christmas, and I am so excited because today's video is all about French fashion. Oh, I know. What does that have to do with Christmas and the holidays? Oh, let me tell you, I have been enjoying this wardrobe, and normally I have all of my stuff in my big closet, but I actually pulled this little rack up here and I thought, oh, I'll just put some of the new things on there so don't forget about them. And then I just started to enjoy it so much in my room that it's stayed up here in this space. So I wanted to share with you what I'm wearing over the holidays, because I realized after I finished my French country modern bedroom that I didn't know what kind of wardrobe went with that. And I'm the type of person that I feel like it all goes together. The way I dress, the way I design my home, all of those things just kind of go together for me. So I thought this is a really fun excuse to just try something. Try and see what I think a French country modern wardrobe looks like, because my closet is one of my favorite rooms in the entire house. I love getting dressed. I love having a beautiful space. I've actually created inadvertently a capsule French country modern wardrobe for the winter, and I've been enjoying this little wardrobe so much. So I just wanted to be able to share with you some of the things that I've discovered. One of my favorite brands in the entire world is the French brand called Saison. And while we were in New York, I went to the New York store, and I had been a fan for years. This company is just absolutely gorgeous. Every single thing that they do just blows my mind and inspires me so much. And so I thought, you know what? I gotta go to the store. And when I went to the store, I spent hours in there, and it's not a very big store, but it was just so inspiring to be in there that I actually forgot to take any pictures. I forgot to take pictures. I know, I'm so sorry. I was just so overwhelmed with the way that shop just transported you to a different place, and there was this sort of femininity to this modern mix. I just couldn't get enough of it. So I did buy a couple things while I was there, and that kind of got me started on this new French country modern wardrobe. And then my husband treated me to way too much for my birthday, and I was a little bit upset with him. He really shouldn't have done it, but he was so sweet. He ordered from them, and they overnighted my gifts so that they would arrive in time for my birthday. They came from Paris. So this is the real deal. As you can tell, I'm very much into this beautiful sort of feminine ruffle, but I like a modernness, sometimes even just an edginess attached to it, which is why I think Saison in particular is a brand that I just really identify with, because everything is so modern and feminine, and yet there's this edginess to it, and I just really identify with it. So some of the things that I realized in my wardrobe, some of the holes that I had were, I am always cold, always. And I really wanted something that could go underneath. And since I wear a lot of things with ruffles, and I wear a lot of things with little bows on them, when I put a nice big sweater on, that looks weird. It looks bulky, it looked thick. So one of the things that I really wanted was something with a high collar lace. And oh, this is my little evil eye that I found at the John Darien store. Gotta keep the evil away, right? The holidays. This lace is unlike anything that I could ever describe to you. This is a Cezanne piece, and the sleeve is just, let's see if I can make sure you can see, it's just breathtaking. Look at the detail on this with the buttons. It really, it's everything that you would ever imagine in your mind that French lace would be. It's all of it. And oh, you guys, it's not just the front. The back of this top has this lace, and it has one of my favorite. I'm gonna start hyperventilating. I'm such a weirdo. I get so excited I can't breathe, and then I can't talk. So this top has buttons down the back, and they are these little pearl buttons. And I just think that it's hands down one of the most beautiful things that I have ever seen in my life. It's actually this sweater that got this whole thing started for this season. They had a picture on their website of this sweater, and oh my gosh, you guys, look at this green color. So beautiful. The knitting on this is so thick, and I am always cold. This sweater is heaven. I've been wearing this non-stop, especially in the evenings. I'll put it on with my little silk jammies, and I'll just leave the lace top on underneath, and I am so warm and so cozy. I just can't even describe it. So it really is amazing. Didn't think I was gonna get that sweater, and so my husband surprised me with it. And so I had already gotten this one at Target because I just wanted to have something in that green. I wanted something in that green color, and I was trying to create like a little bit of a substitute. This one is great. It really is. It really is so pretty. It's very feminine, and I think that this was under $30, and it really is beautiful. And I loved the little design in it. That's just so French and so beautiful. But the knitting, like this is not wool. The other sweater is so warm. So if you are hot-natured, you probably don't want that sweater because that will make you very warm. But this one is a great, if you live somewhere maybe further south, if you don't have super cold winters, something like this is really great as well. And I've been wearing both. So you can mix and match, and that's what's so beautiful about a wardrobe like this. This is another Cezanne sweater. Again, my husband ordered this. I had shown him the pictures, and he was so naughty, but oh my God. I'm enjoying it so much. And this is again in that same range. This one's not as thick, which is perfect because here in Atlanta, it's super cold today, but it's not super cold every day. So with that one, I've got a couple lace tops, and see how I like this sort of top up like this. And I will link to the shop where I got this as well. But this one's a little bit itchier, which is why I grabbed this one. You guys, I found this one at Loft. See, again, I was trying to substitute because I didn't think I was gonna get those other things, and it turns out that this has actually given me a full wardrobe that I didn't even expect to have, and it's been amazing. So that's why I have to share it with you. Look at this little lace that they've got at the top, and you can see they've got the lace down here on the sleeve. This one is much thinner. It doesn't have the weight of that lace. It's not as delicate. I don't know. You can feel the quality difference. But this is still a really great top, and I've been wearing this and I really enjoy it. It's not quite the same as a Cezanne. So if you want to splurge on something during the holiday season, check out Cezanne because it is amazing. However, these Loft tops, I know that this comes in plus size as well, and the Cezanne right now does not. So I'm wearing this just as much as the Cezanne because I just really enjoy having a really good mix. And so this one was, I think that I spent less than $30 on this top. And the Cezanne lace tops, I think are around $100. So they are an investment piece, but I gotta show you this one. So this one's a short sleeve one, but it looks so cute. I don't know if you can really see. I've been into these high-waisted, they're not paper bag pants, but they've got like an elastic waistband. I found these at Zara, and I've got them in the green, I've got them in black, and my daughter keeps stealing them. So sometimes I've been wearing this with, see, I've got a couple different pants here. So I will wear them with a pleather a pleather pant, because I think that that's really fun to have like something pleather on the bottom and then something really lacy and beautiful, on the top. And so when you put those together, it's like rock and roll feminism. And I think that that is just, oh, it's just so beautiful. And what I love too is that all of these tops, they all intermix. And I've got another little pair of dressy trousers here that have been hanging here. Got these from H&M. A couple little of these little bow topped blouses, and they go so perfectly. So I wouldn't put the sweater over that because I don't like the way that that feels. I don't like having that bow on the top with a sweater over it. However, this looks fantastic with those black jeans. It looks great with the with this little pair of pants. So you can see how I'm kind of mixing. I'm mixing in these feminine details with things that it can be dressed up. See, I've got another sweater here from Madewell. This Cezanne silk blouse. Oh, girl. I just, the buttons on the arm. Oh, it's just heaven. It's just heaven. And the color is so beautiful. It looks great with black. It looks great with jeans. My jeans are actually missing. I must have thrown them in the wash. I wear a high-waisted jean from Madewell, and all of this stuff is so interchangeable. I think that's what's so brilliant about it. So whether I'm running out to meet a client, we're looking at homes, or we've got a closing. This one is from Zara. It has some of those details as well. Now this one's not silk, so of course this wouldn't be as much money. So I'll put all the links in the show notes so you guys can find these items. And I'll just show you, like, I just really have mixed high and low. And this is another Target one, and it's got a lot of those same details. You can mix in, you know, some of these classic pieces with the really pretty buttons, and it just works. Let me show you these shoes. This is one of the things that I bought, as I drop them, at the Cezanne store, and they are just heaven. Now, these are more expensive, okay? So their shoes generally run in the $200 to $300 range. And first, I've never ordered a pair of shoes from them. I'm more of the type that I generally order shoes from Target. I mean, I'm just being honest. A lot of times I'm outside showing houses. I'm in the grass, in mud. These I will not be showing a house, and these are like a lunch date or something like that if I know I'm not gonna be outside. But these are so different in quality. This is all leather, and the quality on the details of it are amazing. So I can't even begin to tell you how comfortable they are, and how many shoes that I've looked at in Gucci and Chanel and so many other places, and this is the same. I would put this on par. I really would. The quality is insane. Right? The leather is like, it's like butter. It just is so soft, and I would say 100% this was worth the investment. These are the kind of shoes that are gonna last season after season. You take them to the cobbler, you can have them, you know, resoled on the bottom, and they're just, if you take good care of them, they're gonna last you forever. Okay, so one final thing before you leave for the day, okay? I got the Cezanne spray at the store, and my chair is sitting here, so I'm just gonna spritz it into the air. Oh my God, it smells like heaven. So you can use it as a perfume. I've been using it as a linen spray. I just love for my linens to smell fresh and fragranced, and it is soft. You guys, this is hands down, order a bottle of this. It's amazing. It's so wonderful. I absolutely love it. And much like the French, I've kind of mixed over here in my little jewelry area. I've got a vintage mirror and a vintage silver pitcher with a plant in it, and my perfumes. And I've got my little French incense, but I use them actually to hold my jewelry, because I found these at my mom's when I was raiding her jewelry stash recently. She let me grab those because Cezanne has a lot of things like this, and I just love them so much. And I've got like just some crazy over-the-top stuff, and than just some vintage ones that I found actually at a flea market. So that is what I've learned from my French friends, is how they like to mix their things. And even like today, I've got this little pair that are like little flowers. That's what I've learned from the French, is that they are absolutely amazing at really just mixing things, taking something like a modern nail polish and blending it with like a really feminine pale lip and just a little blush. And they take those beautiful antique vintage jewelry and they'll pair it with something really modern, like a slick pleather jean. And then it's like ruffles and lace, and then just, I don't know, there's just something so wonderful about it. And I don't know if you like this. I'm into it. I can't seem to get it out of my head, and I'm really enjoying it for the season. So I thought I'd share, because you might want to pop something on your wish list for the holidays, or you might be shopping for someone else who would absolutely love a French gift like this. You guys know there's those people that would just die to have something like that, and it would just be so special to them. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. And of course, as always, don't forget, hit subscribe, because this is just one of many videos coming out. We'll give you a full tour of our room and the house and so many other things coming up, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. And of course, you can always visit us at houseofvalentina.com. That's where we post all the photos from the video, so if you want to be able to pin things and get more information, it's always on the blog. And of course, visit us at Instagram. You can find us at Valentina Fussell and at the House of Valentina. We have 2 accounts there, and we just love to be able to share more daily inspiration there and give you guys a peek into our lives and get to be a part of yours on a daily basis. So be sure to check us out there as well, and we will see you very soon. Bye. Did you really think the video was gonna be over? I hadn't told you about the one thing that people always ask me about, and that is my fur coat. Yes, so bonus material here. My fur coat is from H&M. So I hate that it sold out last year so fast, but when you find a great piece, you've got to just go and get it. So I'm actually running out the door to meet a client for lunch. So see how this fur coat just goes so perfectly, and it's ridiculously over the top, and I absolutely love it. So I've got to run. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.